Hi guys! Today I am back with the BTS Speak Yourself merch. If you guys were trying to buy stuff, you would have also known that there was a huge issue on Weebly. Basically, you make an order and then the card kept declining and declining. So basically, I had spent about 2 hours trying to get my order to go through. It was a huge mess, but thankfully the order went through, and then I remade another account because for each account you couldn't get 2 sets of photo cards. So I made another account and I got 2 other sets of photo cards and some other stuff that I didn't get on the first round. And then I think a week ago they had another launch of the pre-order for the merch again. And apparently I missed out on the ring, which also includes photo cards. But so I think the ship date is set to be in January of 2020. So I'll show you guys that sometime in 2020. But for now, I have these 2 boxes, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm so sorry that I sound hella shaky and so out of breath, but I'm just really excited for these. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the big box because that's actually the first order that I did. So I'm gonna move this to the side. And I'm actually kind of iffy about this one because looks like the taping was very minimal to like non-existent. It's like ripping apart. I only ripped off my shipping address label, and this is what is happening. So let's just hopefully everything is in the box and we will be good to go. Yeah, this packaging is I'm not pleased. Alrighty. Okay, this is such a huge box for like... Alrighty, see what we have here. So this is the poster set. I'll open this in a bit. I see photo pickets. Actually, I'm gonna get this first. This is the Jimin acrylic key chain. Yep. Here we have the photo pickets. So first we have the... is gorgeous. We have Jiminy. These are so cute. And then we have OT7. I just had to get OT7. Like, this is so great. So let me just get through majority of these and then we can open the photo card first. This is the poster set. I think includes all of the members in this tube. What else did I get? This is the what do you call this? Roll sticker. Okay, and then my 2 photo card sets. So I hopefully these are 2 different sets, but we are going to start off with the photo cards first because that's the thing that I'm most excited about. And righty, I'm just hella shaky right now, guys. Okay, I don't want to rip this. Oh my goodness. So first we have Namjoon. This is 4 out of 8 for Namjoon. Here we have Yoongi. This is 6 out of 8. We have Jin. He is 1 out of 8. Here we have Sunshine Hobie. He is 8 out of 8. Here we have Jimin. He is 3 out of 8. Here we have V. 4 out of 8. Right? Yeah. Here we have JK. This is 5 out of 8. And then we have the unit photo, Jin and Jimin, and it is 2 out of 6. Righty, so that is the first photo card set. The second one, hopefully it's a different set. Oh my god, don't mean to bend these. Yes, it's a different set, right? I think. Yes, 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 different. Okay, whew. So this is RM 3 out of 8. We have Yoongi. Is he laying on the floor? Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Oh my god, this is actually really pretty. I'm so out of breath, guys. I'm so sorry. This is 4 out of 8. Here we have Chin. This is so cute. Oh my god. 6 out of 8. We have Hobie right here. 7 out of 8. And Jimin. Oh my god, this is so precious. This is 7 out of 8. Here we have V. He is 2 out of 8. JK. 3 out of 8. And then the unit photo of JK, Hobie, and RM for 1 out of 6. Yay, so no duplicate photo set. So happy. I don't know if I should go in depth with this first or just open the second box. Let me move this to the side. I'm gonna open the second box and then we'll go in depth of the other items. Sorry, this looks like a huge mess, but that's what we are going to put this out to the side. The second box is packaged much better, thankfully. Okay. So let's see. This is the wall photo. Oh my god. Stuck here. Apparently I got another OT7 Picket. Do not recall getting another one, but apparently I did. And then I got the photo set, and then also, of course, the 2 other mini photo set. So I'm gonna open these 2 first. Put that to the side. This is such a mess. Oh my god. Move that up a little bit. Okay. So hopefully these 2 sets aren't duplicates. We can only hope for the best. Okay. Oh no, I think this is a duplicate. Yeah, this is a duplicate. Oh no. No. Okay, well I guess I'm gonna have to sell or trade these. But yeah, these are dupes. Okay. Okay, we have one more of the photo cards, so hopefully that will be okay. Please, please, please don't be a dupe. Oh, okay, this is not a dupe. Yes. Oh my god, thank goodness. So this is RM 6 out of 8. Yoongi, 8 out of 8. We have Jin. Oh, this is so precious. Jin is 7 out of 8. Hobie, 1 out of 8. When I do these unboxings, I'm really like not looking at it deeply enough. I'm just like going through really fast, so I'm gonna have to relook at these. But so this is Jimin, 5 out of 8. V, oh, this is such a good picture. Oh, the lighting change. Oh, it's so dark now. Okay, but I'm just gonna push through. This is V, 6 out of 8. JK, 2 out of 8. Unit of JK, Hobie, and RM. That's so cute. This is 4 out of 6. I'm so mad about the lighting. It was really sunny. I mean, it's still sunny out by the window, but it's like dark here, but what can we do? Okay, I'm gonna open the, okay, the lighting's a little bit back now. Sun keeps going in and out. I'm so sorry about that. So this is the photo set. Here we have RM, 4 out of 4. Oh, I thought the photo sets are only like one set each. Like I didn't know there were multiples. But oh well, I only got one set. So this is Yoongi, 4 out of 4. We have Jin. This is 3 out of 4. Hobie, oh, with his clip-on earring. That's pretty. 3 out of 4. Jimin, oh my god. He is 4 out of 4. V, 3 out of 4. JK, 4 out of 4. And then unit photo of JK and Yoongi, 6 out of 6. Alrighty, so that is that. What should we open next? I guess we'll do the poster set first. Take a look at the posters if I can get this out. Okay, I'm sweating so much right now, guys. Like, you have no idea. Let me see how I can do this because, okay, so here we have RM. Okay, it's gonna be really hard to like unroll these posters. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay. Let's see a good way to do this. So here we have Yoongi. We have Jin. Sorry, I can't really like roll this all the way. Like my space is very limited, so this is the best I can do. Here we have Hobie. We have Jimin. V. And then JK. Alrighty, so that's the posters. Sorry, like, I can't really open too much of that because it's really big, and like I said, room has a very limited space. I'm just gonna go ahead and roll this up for now. I'm gonna go ahead and open this Jimin acrylic keyring. This is what the acrylic keyring looks like. So we have Jimin doing his 2 finger hearts, and the final Speak Yourself. It's really, really cute. This back in. Okay, so next I guess I'll show you guys the photo pickets. These are actually really, really big. I've never owned a photo picket before, so this is like very new to me, and they're much bigger than what I expected. So I got these 3. What will I do with them? I have no idea, but they're just really, really pretty to look at. So that's that. Oh, my box over there is like dying. And then this, I think, is another photo. This is the poster version 1. Let's see how I can open this. See how I can open this. Right. Alrighty, let's unroll this. Oh my god, this poster is beautiful. Definitely I'm gonna replace the Persona poster and replace it with this one in my room right now. Well, after this video, of course, but that is that. The next thing is the roll sticker. Let's see, how do I open this? Alright, so it's a sticker with all of the members. How do I take it out? Alright, well, I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to let you guys see from here. Yeah. And then the last thing we have is the wall photo, which I'm not going to take out of its packaging because I want to give it to someone. So I'll just let them, you know, do the opening themselves. Alright, so that is it for my BTS Speak Yourself merch. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Sorry it was a little bit messy and how out of breath and shaky I am, but you know, when you open these things, it's really exciting and sweaty. So if you guys did enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!